Hey, this is Terry Medallan with Primare. I'm involved with marketing of the company, and we are effectively celebrating the completion of our two-channel line of products labeled under the Prisma banner. What we have here is our PhonoStage I-25 integrated amplifier, CD35 Prisma CD player, the Pre-35 Prisma preamplifier, and A35.2 basic amplifier that are all surrounding the NP5 Prisma network player. And the NP5 network Prisma player really kind of completes this two-channel line in that it allows anyone to incorporate our Prisma network player technology into virtually any system that has a digital to analog converter. And that Prisma technology is embedded in our modular design product like the Pre-35, as well as the I-25 and I-35 integrated amplifiers, as well as the CD35 Prisma CD player, so that anyone can access the great array of music options to explore, discover, and share music in the most meaningful way that anyone has ever been able to do. For more information, go to www.primare.net.